Across one of China's most unforgiving landscapes, engineers are preparing to build a bridge once thought impossible.
Base, confirm acquisition of Point 4 Alpha.
Point 4 Alpha confirmed. Proceed with scan. Every foundation decision begins with understanding the strength hidden inside the mountain.
Check the pressure, it's spiking. Holding steady now. Holding steady now.
Confirmed, we are directly under the center line now. Data spike on the sonar, logging the position.
The river below and the mountains above must both be understood before construction can begin.
Wind shear is higher than expected at Station 3.
Confirmed. Humidity reading seems slightly off.
Relay that to the second team down the line. Base to Rover 1, check alignment reading.
Reading steady, base. Dead center. Confirmed.
The alignment here seems optimal, but what about the geological stability on the south side?
Adjusting the pylon placement slightly west improves. Before the bridge can rise, an entire transportation network must first be carved into the mountains.
All right, easy now. Clear to dump. Bring it back right side.
Every ton of steel and concrete will depend on these roads long before the bridge itself exists.
Bring it down 20 feet, slow and steady. Copy that, 20 feet. Watch the east side.
A project of this scale requires its own temporary city before permanent construction can begin.
The connection toward the treatment facility is almost complete.
Good, let's secure the final bolts on this flange.
All right, moving the excavators to the southeast zone now.
The drone data confirms the path is clear, but watch the wind shear near the ridge.
Copy that, safety first. Lead excavator, you are clear to proceed to the marked area.
Copy that, moving into position now. Easy does it.
The future of the bridge now depends on creating foundations capable of anchoring millions of tons of force.
The shear zone runs directly under the southeast corner here. Okay.
Copy that. We need to adjust the piling depth for Sector 4 immediately.
Sometimes the only way to build on a mountain is to carefully reshape the mountain itself.
Controlling water is just as important as controlling rock when building foundations of this scale. We're looking good for the morning pour, but keep an eye on the west anchor.
Copy that, I'll monitor the cables.
The convoy is approaching the site entrance now.
Bring the rig 50 feet east, slow and steady.
Watch the clearance on your left, keep it coming.
Far beneath the visible structure, hidden foundations will carry forces powerful enough to support an entire suspension bridge.
Alpha Team, suspend drilling immediately. Repeat, suspend drilling.
Although invisible once completed, these foundations will become the strongest part of the entire bridge.
All right, start the pour. Keep that hopper full. Watch the Tremie connection.
We are at the 50-meter mark and rising. Everything's stable down here.
These giant foundations will transfer the bridge's enormous loads directly into the mountain itself.
Hold the line steady. Coming down. Watch the east side. All right, easy, easy. Set.
Piece by piece, the towers begin rising from the mountain, transforming engineering plans into reality.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the guide wires. Coming down, watch your hands. Clear on this side.
Every meter of height increases the challenge, but also brings the two sides of the canyon closer together.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the south side.
Confirm, 20 centimeters, wind gusting.
That's it, she's secure. Well done, lads.
Bring up the survey gear. We are live on Channel 3.
With the towers complete, the stage is finally set for the cables that will carry the bridge across the impossible gap.
All right, saddle is aligned, ready for tightening. Got the torque wrench ready, copy that, proceed with securing.
Bring it starboard just a fraction. Easy now, set her down gently.
The load distribution is exactly as modeled. Flawless integration. The saddle system is secure. Look at that span. It's magnificent.
Slowly, keep it steady.
Looks good. We are clear for final placement.
Maintain the flow rate, watch the temperature on the south side. Reading steady at 65, Foreman.
Hidden inside the mountain, these anchorages will resist forces powerful enough to pull entire structures apart.
Check the tension readings on line 4. Looks good from here, but let's double check the alignment before signing off.
Process vision to west anchorage. Final systems check complete. We are green for launch.
Roger that. East anchorage. Clear to proceed.
It made it! Yes, perfect trajectory. Great job, everyone.
We have a green light on section 4, cable tension steady at 5,000 psi.
Roger that. Increasing speed now.
We are approaching final tension on cable 4. Monitor sag closely. Roger that. Sag is within tolerance.
These temporary catwalks allow crews to work where there was once only open air. Base, this is character A. The tension on the center strands is holding steady at acceptable parameters.
The sequence is holding steady. Send the next bundle through. Over.
The main cables are the backbone of the bridge, carrying every load that will someday cross the canyon.
We've reached final tension on cable 4.
Copy that. Main span alignment is nominal.
Clear the deck below. We are lifting the bundle.
Confirmed. All clear. Bring it up slowly.
Roger. Slow hoist engaged.
For the first time, the future roadway begins to take shape beneath the suspension system.
Deck segment rising. Hold steady at current vector. Preparing for final approach to hangar connections.
Every new segment pushes the structure farther into open space, where precision leaves no room for error.
All teams, maintain current pressure. We are 2 degrees off on the vertical. Adjust now.
Hold it right there. We need a perfect lock on the western joint.
Understood. Holding steady. Prepare for final alignment.
After years of planning and construction, the canyon is finally crossed by a single continuous structure.
Base, this is Rover 1. All parameters nominal. Ready for asphalt application. Copy that, Rover 1. Proceed.
Now the bridge must prove it can withstand nature's most unpredictable forces.
Look at the fluctuation on the L2 sensor. It's deviating from the prediction model. That shouldn't be happening under this load.
Begin tension sequence, 50 kilonewtons. Monitor resonance.
Affirmative. The cable is stabilized. Log the adjustment.
All units, you are approaching the midspan. Prepare to hold position on my mark.
Every ton placed on this bridge confirms the precision of its design.
Team lead to control, we have an obstruction on the west walkway. Over.
Roger that. System reset is successful. All clear on Sector 4.
The structure has been tested, analyzed, and confirmed and tights. It is ready for full operation.
For the first time, controlled movement begins across a structure that once existed only in design. Control, this is field team. Full load applied. All sensors nominal.
Confirmed. Everything is well within tolerance.
What was once impossible is now part of everyday life.
The coding on this section seems slightly off spec.
Let me cross-reference the batch number on the tablet.
The laser scan confirms the deviation.
And this is how one of the world's greatest engineering projects is built, COMSIPS, from nothing into reality.